A blinking light on your Beautyrest heated blanket controller indicates that an error has been detected and the heating element has automatically shut off for safety. Error codes like E, E1, E2, E3, or E4 may also appear on the display, each indicating different types of connection or system issues. Before attempting a reset, first check that your blanket is plugged directly into a working wall outlet. Avoid using extension cords or power strips. Next, inspect the controller and all connections for any signs of damage, wear, fraying, or loose connections that could be causing the error. To reset your heated blanket, follow these steps carefully. First, turn off the blanket using the controller. Next, unplug the power cord from the wall outlet completely. If the controller is detachable, disconnect it from the blanket as well. Wait exactly 15 minutes to allow the internal system to completely reset. Finally, reconnect the controller securely, plug the blanket back into the wall, and turn it on to check if the blinking has stopped. When basic resetting doesn't resolve the blinking light, you're likely dealing with specific error codes that require advanced troubleshooting techniques. E2 and E3 error codes typically indicate loose connections. Double-check that all controller and power connections are secure. An E4 error specifically indicates a poor connection between the controller cord and the blanket module. Ensure the controller is fully inserted. For dual control blankets, you can isolate whether the problem is with a specific controller or side of the blanket by reversing the controllers. Switch the left and right controllers to opposite sides. If the same controller shows the error, the controller is faulty. If the same side shows the error, the blanket wiring is damaged. If problems persist and the blanket isn't heating, there may be internal damage, such as an open circuit, often caused by twisting during washing. Common internal issues include broken heating wires from excessive twisting, damaged connections, or blown internal fuses. These typically require professional repair or replacement. If troubleshooting doesn't resolve the issue, contact Beautyrest customer service, especially if your blanket is still under warranty. Contact JLA Home at jlahome.com or call 866-456-8852. Have your model number and purchase receipt ready for warranty claims. Important safety warning. If you discover any burn marks, tears, holes, or exposed wires on your blanket, stop using it immediately for your safety.